In this video, we are going to make a satin weave, and a satin weave goes over 3 and then under 1, over 3, under 1, continuing down, and then it offsets with each row. So each new row is going to offset. I'm going to be using 7 3/4 inch strips for my pink and 7 3/4 inch strips for my blue. My pink will be my left to right strands, and my blue will be my up and down strands. So I will first do my over 3, under 1. So we'll start by doing the over 3, and I'm just going to look at the back of my pink over here, and I'll glue these blues to the back of it. My blues over. So I'll do 3 on one side and then 1 on the other. And I'm looking at the back side again because this is going to flip over, so it can be over 3 instead of under 3. But so I have my 3 there, and then on the back over here you can see, straighten it out. So over 3, and then it'll go under 1, and then over 3 again. So I'll put my last 3 blues in here. And I'm trying to keep everything kind of at a 90-degree angle so it stays nice and straight and looks neat. But there we go. So it goes over 3 and then under 1, and then my pink goes over 3 again. My next row is going to be offset. So instead of going over 3, I'm going to go under 1 here, and then I will go over 3 and then under 1, and then it would go over 3 again, but there's only 2 left. So you can see over 3, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, and then I'm going to offset it again. So I'll go over this one, under the 1, and then 1, 2, 3, under 1, and it would be 3 again. And I'll just keep going down with my 7, just offsetting it every time. So this time I'm going to go over a little bit more, under 1, over 3, under 1, just like that. I'm trying to keep everything pretty straight as I go. Sometimes it's easier to straighten up when it's all finished though too. But now I'll go over 3, under 1, over 3. And you can see now there's these kind of rows that are on top of each other, and then the blues are just like diagonal from each other, right? So that's one way you can measure that you're doing things right as you go along, is if you have that diagonal from your up and down strands, then you know, okay, I'm doing this right. So we're going to go under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, and then my last one, I'm going to go under this one right here, over 3, under 1, over 3. So you can see my diagonal lines are coming along with my blue, or my up and down strands. And now I can go ahead and straighten everything out, which I won't do all of that in the video. And then I can just go ahead and glue like things down on the bottom like so. And once it's all straight, I'd go and glue around the bottom and maybe on the sides to keep it, and trim everything so it's just a nice clean square. And then I'd be done with my satin weave sample.